ABC Speaking Academy. Hello, kids. Today, we're going to have a speaking practice. Using most common question in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Are you tired?
Are you tired?
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Are you a doctor?
Are you a doctor?
Are you new here?
Are you new here?
Can I eat this?
Can I eat this?
Are you able to swim?
Are you able to swim?
Can you play with me?
Can you play with me?
Are you in a hurry?
Are you in a hurry?
Are you ready to go?
Are you ready to go?
Can you come?
Can you come?
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
What is that?
What is that?
Can you find it?
Can you find it?
Can you handle it?
Can you handle it?
Can I see that one?
Can I see that one?
Can you answer this?
Can you answer this?
How old are you?
How old are you?
Can you turn on the TV?
Can you turn on the TV?
Who is he?
Who is he?
Can you play the piano?
Can you play the piano?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Could I help you?
Could I help you?
Could I use your desk?
Could I use your desk?
Could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that?
Could I borrow your pencil?
Could I borrow your pencil?
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
Could you do me a favor?
Could you do me a favor?
Are you lost?
Are you lost?
Do you hear me?
Do you hear me?
Do you know her?
Do you know her?
Do you like snow?
Do you like snow?
Do you have a car?
Do you have a car?
Do you want money?
Do you want money?
Do you drink milk?
Do you drink milk?
Do you want to ride?
Do you want to ride?
Do you know the reason?
Do you know the reason?
Do you like to travel?
Do you like to travel?
What day is today?
What day is today?
Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
What is your name?
What is your name?
Where is my book?
Where is my book?
Do you like it?
Do you like it?
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Who is she?
Who is she?
What is this?
What is this?
How are you?
How are you?
Job well done, kids.
Until our next speaking adventure.